Now it's time for the moment you've all waited for, the Intense 5. Let's go. Big up to Shensia and Ding Dong for wanting to donate tablets to kids in need. The only thing though is that the Fire tablets aren't compatible with Google Classroom or the Ministry of Education app. To make it easier for anyone who wants to donate, call the National Education Trust and they'll give you all the info you need. Here's why your indicator and rear view mirror should be used always.
Slow down. Don't stop. Slow down. Go on.
I can imagine how shook the truck driver must have been. Jaja. Is Jada really upset with Puppy? Well, based on a recent post, she never seemed too happy that he didn't do the remix of Win. Chronicler is jumping on another hillside. This time he's trying his hand at being an entrepreneur and owning his own label. What I love about this is that the label will be based in his hometown St. Thomas. Can I see? And finally holding the spot this week, Sizzler is sharing basically the same sentiments as Bujo when it comes on to COVID and mask wearing. He went on a long rant on social media voicing his opinion. Okay. Well, that's it for the Intense 5 this week. Lots more coming at you next Saturday. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.